This is a short video clip on bivalve anatomy. So here we have the shell of a typical bivalve mollusk, and we can see the first part of the shell that you need to identify is the umbo, right? Notice this little beak right here is the umbo, and you can see growing from it are all of these growth rings. The hinge ligament located here is the ligament that holds the two sides of the shell together. So to orient yourself, the umbo of these freshwater mussels always points towards the anterior. So that would make this the anterior aspect and this the the posterior aspect. The hinge ligament and umbo are also located on the dorsal side. So this is the dorsal side of the mussel, and this is the ventral side. If we look at this model showing you the internal anatomy, we again can see the umbo and this hinge ligament, making this the anterior side and the posterior side. Again, the dorsal side and the ventral side. The mussel always opens on the ventral side, and closing the shell are a pair of adductor muscles. We can see the posterior adductor muscle here and the anterior adductor muscle here. The mantle is the sheet of tissue that covers the visceral mass that produces the shell. The muscular foot is used for locomotion, as most of these mussel bivalves are diggers. We can see the gills with all of their feather-like appearance to increase surface area for gas exchange. For feeding, we can see these labial palps on either side that help to move food particles into the mouth, and then the digestion occurs in the digestive tract, and waste is eliminated through the anus. When we look at the mussel that we dissected in lab, we can see the similar pieces here. Here's the mantle tissue. We can see the gills, the labial palps, the foot, and then if you look right here, you can see the mouth. It's also possible to see the anterior adductor muscle right here, and then you can see where the posterior adductor muscle was cut to allow us to open up the shell.